Hey there! Congratulations on choosing to migrate from Gumroad to Dukaan, the #1 e-commerce platform for modern digital businesses. To make your life easier, you can now easily import all the product listings and their attributes from your Gumroad store to Dukaan in just a few clicks. But before that, please ensure that you have installed the Digital Products plugin and your store category is set to Digital Products. With that out of the way, let's get started. From your Dukaan dashboard, click on the Plugins menu from the left sidebar. Search for Gumroad and you should see the plugin pop up in search results. Click on the plugin and then on Install Plugin. Once installed, click on its settings. Over here, you need to input two things, your Gumroad store link and your Gumroad access token. Let's see where you can get them. From your Gumroad dashboard, click on the settings menu from the bottom left corner. Then click on the profile tab on this screen. Over here, you can see your Gumroad URL. Right-click and copy this link address. Go back to the plugin settings page on Dukaan and paste this in the first input field. Next, let's see how you can obtain the access token. Go back to your Gumroad settings page and click on the Advanced tab. In the section under Applications, enter Dukaan as the application name and this link in the redirect URI box. This address can be found in the help article for Gumroad Importer as well. When you're done, click on Create Application. Once the application is created, you can proceed to generate an access token by clicking on the relevant button on this screen. Now select this access token, copy it and go back to the plugin settings page on Dukaan. Paste it in the second input field like this and click on Import. Wait for a few seconds and that's it. All your product listings and its details are now successfully imported to your Dukaan store. Please note that for security reasons, Gumroad doesn't allow you to directly copy the digital files from their server while using any importer. Once you use our importer plugin to import all your product listings, you'll have to manually edit each product and upload the relevant digital file from your site onto the Dukaan servers. Make sure to verify if the right digital product files are added to their corresponding product listing before proceeding to share and promote your brand new digital product store powered by Dukaan. Happy selling!